Hello friends, we are going to solve quadratic equation. We have two examples here. First example is 3x squared minus x minus 24, which is equal to 0. Example number 2 is equal to square root of x squared plus 2x plus 1, which is equal to 3. Let's start with example number 1. Now, this is a quadratic equation. We solve quadratic equation by using this formula. Delta, which is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Here, we can see a, b, then c. A is coefficient of x squared. We write 3. Then b is coefficient of x. It is negative 1. C is constant. Constant is 24, negative 24. Then we substitute. We write delta, which is equal to b squared. Where we have b squared, we write negative 1. Negative 1, then in bracket squared because b is squared. Minus 4 in bracket, then value of a is 3, then in bracket c. The value of c is negative 24. Now, delta d is equal to positive 1, then negative 4 times 3 is equal to negative 12. Then negative 12 times negative 24, we write positive sign because there is negative sign times negative sign. Now we can multiply 24 by 12. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Then 1 times 4 is equal to 4. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. We add. We bring down 8. Then 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. We bring down 2. It is 288. Then we write it here, 288. Then plus 1, which is equal to 289. Now we find the square root of delta. Square root of delta is equal to square root of this number, 289. Now, square root of delta is equal to 17. Square root of 289 is equal to 17. You can check by using calculator. Then after finding the square root of delta, then we find the values of x. The formula for finding values of x, it is x, where x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of delta, then divide by 2a. Now this is general formula. Now we can find x1 and x2. x1 is equal to, we are going to use negative b plus square root of delta, then divide by 2a. Now, here we choose to first use this positive, then later we will use negative. Now, here b is negative 1 because from the formula we have negative b. Now we multiply by this negative 1 and we get positive 1. It is positive 1 plus 17 because 17 is equal to root d. Then divide by 2a. A is 3, then we put brackets and we write 3. Now, here when we add, we get 18 over 6, because 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Now when we divide, we get 3. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. X1 is equal to 3. Then x2 is equal to minus b minus square root of delta, then divide by 2a. Then we have b as negative 1. When we substitute here, it is negative times negative 1, which is positive 1. It is positive 1, then minus 17, because root d is equal to 17. Then we divide by 2, then in bracket a, and a is equal to 3. Here, when you subtract, you get negative 16 over 6. Here you can simplify 16, negative 16 over 6. You can simplify by 2, 8 by 2, 3. Then we put negative sign. Solution, we have x as negative 8 over 3, then x as positive 3. This is the answer.